Welcome to Me Wings. English. Other ways to say happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Many more happy returns. I wish you a wonderful birthday. Have a fabulous birthday. Wishing you many more candles to blow. Other ways to say yes, definitely, of course, I would love to, for sure, my thoughts exactly. Other ways to say thank you, I appreciate it. That's very kind of you. I'm so thankful. I am grateful. Thanks a lot. Other ways to say I understand. I got it. Okay, I get it now. That's clear. I take your point. That makes sense. Thanks for watching.